And this is the tyre pressure monitoring system. This is the box. I've already opened it, so I'll put it to the side, and this is what comes in the box itself. You have a little tool and 4 little nuts. They fit over the valves. You have a USB type A to a USB type C charging cable, an instruction manual in English. You have the actual little valves themselves, the valve covers with the monitor inside them. And as you can see, they've got RL, which is rear left, and FR will be front right. So they're all nicely marked so you know what's what. Put them down. And this is the little solar unit itself. It's quite nice. Charging port on one side. We'll turn it on, see if there's any power in it. Oh, we got power, so there you go. That's what it looks like when it's first lit up. So not bad. We'll go put it on the car and see how it works. You can change the tyre pressure from PSI to BAR simply by pressing the mode button on the top. Now I've got 4 of the little sensors on my tyres, and as you can see we've got a variance in air pressure. I'll take this one off. And as you can hear, we have an alarm sounding here, so we're getting obviously a flat tyre. So these little sensors absolutely work brilliantly.